So we are on day 2 of this little weekend adventure in the north, and I was just finishing up my makeup, and I wanted to show you guys because I'm spending time with Emily's little sister and we have this little like cute makeup setup. Here she is doing her makeup, and we have this cute little mirror, and she has a nice Morphe palette. And I was just telling her that some of my makeup's actually vegan.
Did you bruise your shin last night on the...
No, I'm okay.
Wait, you're not the first person to run into the hitch.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, she's vlogging.
Oh, I thought she was doing makeup.
Both. I'm a multitasker. Anyway, so the the makeup, some that I have from my birthday is vegan makeup. So I have this mascara that's vegan, and I'm just gonna do a little, finish my eyelashes up. I also wanted to show you guys because I never do my makeup this much, which isn't saying much. Like, I didn't really do that much, but it's light work. Yeah, it is. I did my eyeshadow with her Morphe palette. I like that quite a bit. Looks nice. She's going in. She has a Laura Lee palette over there. Nice, nice. So we're just gonna go head over to the mall. It's just like a small mall. We're in Indiana at the moment. I still have a sinus infection, and there's, of course, Emily. And then tomorrow we're gonna head out to Chicago. So I will see you guys. Alright guys, so we're on day 2/3. The first day was basically just driving, but today is the day we're going to Chicago. It is Sunday. I just did my makeup. We are going to another Pride parade. I don't know how I keep ending up in cities that have these. Like, it's kind of cool. I didn't plan to be in LA during that, and I didn't plan to be in Chicago during it, but like, I'm gonna go. So yeah, I just tried to do some Pride-like makeup. I am not a makeup artist, so your girl did her best. So I'll see you later. I think we're gonna go get, like, it's gonna be a vegan travel day for sure. We're gonna go get a bunch of different vegan food. So, see you later. We just got in the city. She's about to navigate us around Chicago. It's usually me that has to navigate all the time, but this is her trip. This is like, she knows us way better than me, so we'll see where she takes us. We're off to a great start. The first place is closed. Yeah, I'm making her like navigate and everything, and she got this, she got this. I have faith. First stop is Native Foods, and the whole place is vegan, but being gluten-free is a little challenging, but they do have a book that they brought out for me to like look through and see what I can have, so that was nice, but meh, it was a little challenging. But I ended up getting a salad and sweet potato fries, but the sweet potato fries, like, it's not good for people with celiac, but it's good for people with eczema that have to avoid, like, they're gluten sensitive. So that's cool. And she got these, yeah, chicken strips, but they're vegan, so we'll see if she likes them. I don't know what people typically say about Chicago, but my impression of it is that it's super pretty. where I actually see, I think it's Lake Michigan in front of me. Super pretty, and like the skyline's gorgeous. The streets seem clean from what I can see, and so far I'm enjoying it. I think it's pretty cool. I'm still trying to get over my sinus infection, so I definitely still sound pretty strange, but hopefully eventually I get over it. I'm still like coughing up phlegm and stuff. It's been about a week now, but hopefully won't be for too much longer. George's ice cream, and they have a couple vegan flavors. So I have a butter pecan and a vanilla chocolate chip, and it's a cute place. They also have a vegan milkshake. We're now north of Chicago. Pretty sure we're still in Chicago. We went a little bit north. You can see the city in the distance. And we're up here to go to Alice's, and I will show you all that info in a little bit, but I just wanted to show you this like little pier. So we're on this beach. Really, really pretty. But what I don't understand is it is so cold. Maybe it's because I'm a southerner, but I'm absolutely freezing, and there's people out here in like Speedos. So basically, I really like Chicago. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, I love the downtown area. It's like the buildings are kind of separate from each other. Like, I don't know, Philadelphia is a little bit more cramped, New York's a little bit more cramped, but Chicago feels like it's like wide open spaces. It's beautiful. The water's just like stunning. It's a gorgeous color, and I love seeing the boats everywhere. There's like sailboats and all sorts of different things, and I like the people here. But the only thing I don't like is the cold. I can't do it. So I just wanted to sit down for a second. Literally, I'm like sitting on a pier and talk. So we didn't end up going to the Pride Parade because we were in the city and the Pride Parade was super north and we couldn't get there in time. We did end up getting this like ice cream that was good. But yeah, basically I'm kind of tired. Yesterday was a crazy day. There was a family reunion. I think my friend was really happy to see her family, so that was really good because I came up with them. Like, we literally drove like 12 hours, and I thought the drive would be worse, but it was totally fine. So today is Sunday. We're headed back tomorrow, and then I'm actually not sure the next place I'm gonna travel. I've been traveling a lot. I may just like chill out for a couple weeks, and then maybe go to Florida. So I don't know, I like to travel a lot, but also I need to take a couple weeks and heal my skin because like all of this traveling, sometimes I don't have access to things that my skin needs, like omega-3s and stuff. Like I made a previous video about this basically, And I really just need to take the time to fully heal some of these patches of eczema that popped up because I have a sweet tooth just a little bit. But yeah, so we're just with my friend's little sister and my friend's cousin, and we're gonna go eat dinner in a little bit. And it's pretty awesome because the whole city is celebrating Pride, so like the different things around the city have like redone themselves to be like Pride, to have like rainbow. So there's like I guess it's a lighthouse up above, and they put like this Pride, I guess it's like a fabric, just like a fabric over it, which is awesome. And then everyone's still in all of their Pride gear, and it's great to see a whole city celebrate together. I went to the LA Pride. That was so much fun. Everyone had so much spirit. And then I guess like my hometown is going to have a Pride parade, so that'll be cool. I love to support where I can. You guys don't know this about me, I guess, because I don't know, for some reason I haven't really opened myself up yet, but to open myself up, I am super, like, equality is a huge passion of mine. I was involved a lot when I was in college with like racial equality, and while I'm not sure like how to give back in that way anymore since I'm out of college, I still feel extremely passionate about it. I love, like, I mean, I love, man, my camera's dying. Just to explain a little bit, like, I think love is the answer to everything, and I don't see there to be a reason why you don't accept and love another person who is only living their lives and being the best person that they can be and living their truest self. So to me, to hate someone for living their most pure life is not really fair. So that's my views on it. I'm gonna support it however I can. So yeah, just wanted to share that little tidbit, and I'm gonna join my friends up there. Well, actually I think they're coming back down here. I just kind of sat down to vlog for a second. But what I'm gonna try to do is, like, there's kind of a movement on YouTube right now where everyone's trying to really let their viewers get to know them. So I'm gonna start doing that more and more. So, see you at dinner. How is your chow mein, sir? That's not vegan.
Doesn't top the microwave ones.
Lies. Lies. Yeah, we're not asking you. Dumpling. Yum. How is this?
Delicious.
What's going on in here?
So the noodles are really good. The
What are
French, they're just noodles. The noodles are really good. The meat in here, like the tofu and the shrimp, wherever it is really
Oh
good.
yeah, try to find a shrimp.
I saw. Oh, here it is.
In my last vlog, I had the fake shrimp. That looks
Sorry.
so much like real shrimp. If
Yeah.
they can make shrimp, they can make hard-boiled eggs.
Exactly. And this sauce is like the curry soup is really good and like flavorful.
Yeah, that tofu that I ate was really, really good. I liked that. Oh, my makeup looks like it's... Okay.
The vegan Travis Scott song.
It's great. The French fries. So good. So they have like little quotes around the restaurant, and then up there they show you like samples of what everything looks like.
Then you take the bite.
I couldn't finish all my food because I want dessert so bad, so I like ate half of my like entree, and now we're gonna order dessert. I think I'm gonna get a peanut butter chocolate mousse bar, and then Emily's gonna get the key lime cheesecake, and then we'll just like try each other's stuff. So here's my little box. Alright, now we're leaving Chicago.